Hello, 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 guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in additional, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, October the 21st, 2023, in the weekend edition. No, Saturday, Sunday. It's actually today, Sunday. And usually on Sunday, I will solve the additional of the weekend edition, but there's no additional with extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Yes, Friday, October the 20th, 2023. We have 3 puzzles left in this additional. I've already solved 1 puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain. The tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, in Dutch they call it Cipher block, with 1 star, and this one, the Zero Stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 7316. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Yes. Zero Stars puzzle. For Zero Stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a Zero Stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Already 1 minute passed. Okay. Well, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the last column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Then 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. Oh, mistake. Could be happen. Mistake. We already have a 2 here. So it can be a 2. Mistake. Okay. So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and this should be there. 4. Wow, almost made a mistake. So I recover it. All right. Okay. And now. Now. How about the number? Yeah, need to think. Come on. 7. Need an 8 here. Need a 2, need a 9 here. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, no need to place left, 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Alright. And now 5, 5, okay. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. How about need a 5 here. Still thinking, need a 8 here. 6, 6, need a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 there. 6, 9. And need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. 1, 3, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 1, 3. Yeah. Well. Need a 1 here. I'm thinking. Need a 5 here. 5, 4. 1, 5, 4, 1. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6 here. Okay. Come on. Need a 5. We have a 5. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 in the first row could be here, could be there. 1, 5, need a 3. Come on, how about the 8? 8. Cannot continue with the 8. About the 4 then. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 4, 4. Yeah, 4, 4. 6, 6. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 5 here. Okay. With 1, 2. No. 3 and a 4. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. We have a 3 here. Should be a 3 there. Okay, this should be the 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3 in this big square. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in this second row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in the first row for number 1. Alright, 3. Need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Yeah, 5 in the last row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8. How about the 2? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1, 1, okay. So 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 7, 7, 7, 7. I need a 3 here. Okay, I need a 4 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 7, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 7. Alright. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, some third column. The only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. How about a 2? Nope, the 2 I cannot fill this yet. Need an 8 here. 6. Yeah, need a 6 or so. 7, need a 7 there. How about the 9? Need a 9 here. How about the 5? 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. We have all the 5s. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and a 4. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Well, we have a pair here. Yeah, a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9 in the second column. 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. Double check what 8, 8, 8. In 40 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 14-15 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. A tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.